have one more matter before we end for today, and then after that, don't go away. Our brother David Abdullah is here, and we will have another session with him. Bismillah. Now then, I am getting requests, Sheikh, one lecture a week is not enough. The world is moving rapidly, and there are people all over the world who are looking to you for guidance, for an explanation, to understand what's happening today. So we need you to be able to provide guidance on a daily basis. I am not going to depend only on the internet, YouTube. I prefer to use my own website now, and I need volunteers. I need volunteers, not one, I need a group of volunteers who will manage my website for me. MashaAllah, somebody in Birmingham, he was able to rebuild the website for me, and we thank him for that, but he doesn't have the time to manage. So the website is frozen at this time. But there are so many out there who have the skills. And if you can kindly contact me, if you're willing to volunteer, and we build a team of people who will manage the website on a day-to-day basis. I can then try to deliver talks regularly, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on, short clips, and we put them on the website, number one. Number two, when we put the lectures on the website, we then invite comments, not the kind of stuff on YouTube, only learned comments, people who have something to contribute. And then you have these professional critics whose only objective in life is to say nasty things about me and do everything they could possibly do underneath the sun to try to get people not to listen to me and to turn away from me. That's their only objective in life. So we'll be able to get rid of this, the deaf, the dumb, and the blind, when we have the comment section on my website. So I'm asking you, if you're going to be so kind, before we pause, we have a break, and don't go away, because David Abdullah is here and he's going to be with us for another session in which we're going to be discussing economic philosophy, economic theory, the free and the fair market, and the differences between the socialist economy and the capitalist economy and so on. Very important to understand these things. So don't go away. If you are willing to become a volunteer to manage my website for me, do please send me an email.